Kate here at WTI, and if you want hotel luxury at home, this duvet cover from Sleep Nest is awesome. So I know that expression is overused, that it's just like a hotel, but it legitimately is. It feels luxurious, like a nice expensive hotel bedding set. So the particular one I have is the Super King, which is super hard to find. So this one is 120 inches by 120 inches. It is a huge duvet cover, which goes over the existing duvet that I had. That was really large. So it has great coverage. It fits perfectly. It has ties in each of the corners and then also halfway along the way. So there's 8 ties in total, which makes it so that your duvet is not slipping and sliding inside. It is 600 thread count, so you can just imagine how soft and expensive it feels. It's got a really beautiful feel to it. I love how effortless it looks. So yes, you could iron this and make it pristine, and that would be beautiful too. But for me, it's all about the comfort, the coziness, and that hits all the marks. It comes with pillow covers. They also have that beautiful edging on it, nice little details. That edges along the entire perimeter of the duvet cover as well. It has the zipper closure, which is really nice, so you don't have to fumble with buttons, easy zipper, and it's hidden so you cannot tell that it's there. It's white and really beautiful, and they have other options too, all the sizes, of course, different colors, but I'm really pleased with the look of this one, and that's my point of view.